Windows 10 support is ending soon. No more security updates, no more full compatibility. If you're a gamer or just want a stable PC, it's time to upgrade. In this video, I'll show you why you should upgrade, the requirements, and how to upgrade, even if you don't have the option on the Windows Updater. Windows 10 is reaching the end of support. That means no security updates and potential problems with new games. Two friends of me have the same system. One was Windows 10, one was on Windows 11. Windows 10 had constantly crashes. After upgrading to Windows 11, problem was fixed. So it's already happening. Can you upgrade? Windows 11 needs TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. At least you need an Intel processor from the 8th gen or a Ryzen processor, at least the 2nd gen. On screen you can pause if you want, there you can have more details. If your PC meets the requirements, the easiest way is through Windows Update. But sometimes Windows 11 don't show up there, and this is the way how to force it. Go to Microsoft official's website and download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Before you begin using Installation Assistant, look, check this out before you do it. From here, you click here, and then you're getting the PC health check. And this makes life easier. You can run this, and if something is missing, this will show you what is missing. For example, it will show you Secure Boot or maybe TPM is not enabled, then go to the BIOS and do it. But how I'm entering the BIOS and enable these settings? It's pretty easy. You can enter the BIOS with F2 or delete or escape. You just need to check out which brand you have. Just Google it, it's pretty easy. When you get to the BIOS settings, under boot probably, or under security, you can find TPM and Secure Boot. After I enable these, the PC health check should be green, and then here we go, we can start the Installation Assistant. So here's the thing, Windows 10 is dead. Windows 11 is the future. If you want smoother gaming, better security, more compatibility with different apps, you need to upgrade. Don't wait until a new game is not launching. Or even worse, you run into security issues. If this video helped you, leave a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel to don't miss future gaming and tech tips. And to enhance your gaming experience, don't forget to check out the next video. I appreciate that you watched the whole video. See you in the next one. I'm out.